So here we're going to look at a heat map based on an Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to import pandas as PD, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. We have to read in the file, and this is a very important command line here. pd.excel based on your pandas is PD, read Excel. Here's a location, our path is here, right? In the previous video, we went over the path and how to find path. And this is a very important line, just know it, is engine equals open pixel. Okay, without it, it won't work. Now, the df.head technically shows us what we need to do here. And we simply, to do this heat map, we simply bring in the following lines. First thing we want to do is import Seaborn. Seaborn is another library based on pandas. And we go ahead and import Seaborn. And then what we want to do is SB. And what we want to do is we want to use our pens, pencils, erasers, and paper, just like so. So we would say SB dot heat map. And we want to include it as, again, DF. The DF is our Excel. And DF will include, just like that, pens, erasers, pencils, paper. Okay. And we just want to go ahead and hit Shift Enter to see if it works. It'll take a while. Obviously, heat maps take a little time to load. I just want to make sure that works here. And then see, and there's our heat map. Here's our initial heat map, just like that. Okay. As you can see, we're missing a few things. To get rid of this line right here, axis subplot, simply hit that. You'll see that part goes away. So we need to add our title and our labels to it. So we simply write the commands. These are easy commands. PLT title, and type in office supplies heat map. Okay. PLT.xlabel, which is really our x-axis on the bottom here. Okay. We type in items, and we need our y label PLT, going to be called quantity, just like that. Okay, and we hit return, and we can see we have our items here, our quantity here, and what we want to do, again, you always want to go ahead and hit this semicolon so that it gets rid of these little these stray marks on the top here. So that's gone. Okay, but we have a slight problem, and the problem is, what is this quantity of, right? So this is not what we're looking for. We're not looking for a quantity. We really want months, because our heat map is based on a certain principle. And our principle on the heat map is that it's our quantity, which is our color, our items based on per month. But this month is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we don't want that. We really want January, February, March, right? So how to do that is we have to do a certain command called set indices. Okay? Or set index. So we simply go here, type in df dot set index, just like so, and we type in df.month, and df.month comes up here. So we look at this month, df.month is going to replace the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So df.month, okay, and we're going to in place, we're going to change that to true. Okay, and what's going to happen now is we get the months. It should change, just like that. There we go. There's our change. So it went from numbers to our months. So one of the things is that the loading takes time, but otherwise it's a really interesting feature. Okay, please try this out for yourself.